প্ৰথমবাৰৰ বাবে গুৱাহাটীত অনুষ্ঠিত হ'ব ইণ্ডিয়ান ডাৰ্ট ফেষ্টিভেল। বিং ক্ৰিয়েটিভ আৰু মটৰ স্পৰ্টছৰ উদ্যোগত 29 অক্টোবৰত অনুষ্ঠিত হ'ব এই মেগা ইভেণ্ট, য'ত প্ৰথমবাৰৰ বাবে অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰিব LGBT কমিউনিটিয়ে। বুধবাৰে এক সংবাদমেলযোগে এই কথা জানিবলৈ দিয়ে উদ্যোক্তাই।
We are IDF, Indian Dirt Fest. It's a new IP. Bangalore leg is done. It is an IP created, which is a motoring event. Here, because last year this was accepted as a legal sport. So it's a part of the sports authority now. And we are the first to start a project like this. Vikram Anand and Jodas Menon sir, they came up with the idea. He came with the idea, he approached him, and we started off the entire IP. The idea is to cover Pan India. So we started off in Bangalore, Guwahati now. We have Chandigarh, and then we have Goa. Goa will be the
What is
final.
the purpose of this event?
To promote motorsport, one, to promote women in motorsport too. Why? Because you don't have too many women in this game, you know. And three, also to support and call in the LGBT community to come in and participate in motorsport even. So
You include the LGBTA.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. We also want to call
It
them
is
women.
perhaps in the first time in
First
Assam.
time ever in the entire country in a way. So we want to also encourage this community to come out and participate in this kind of a
I think it is the most controversial thing. LGBTA is the most controversial
it
thing.
is, it is, sir. But we will not get there. Let's keep it to the sport. We want to call all communities to come together and join
Sports
the
is sports.
Sports is sports. It doesn't matter which community you are from. So we would want to encourage women in motorsport business, in motorsport gaming, and also LGBT community. The idea is to, this is a national championship. We'll have a finale in Goa. The idea is to expand it to touch every state and have state championships going forward. But those are the plans in place. For now, we have...
Your venue is Shillong, Meghalaya.
Yes. No, the venue is Guwahati. So Guwahati will be the zonal hub. And next year we'll probably have it in all the states as state championship. But talking about a current event, 29th we are going to have the rally.